Hey everyone, welcome back. I want to show you how I keep track of my inventory using a Python script that generates QR codes in a PDF document. Now, I use this to staple the QR codes to my Lumber. You can use it for any other use case. It's really easy with a bit of knowledge. I used AI. I used ChatGPT. So here's my inventory. It's a CSV file. It has the header here. You can do any header you want. I have the numbering. Then in this case, when I cut it, the month and the year, what kind of tree it is, the dimensions, and a comment. Now the comment is not part of the QR code, but the rest is. You can open this CSV file in Excel if you have it as well. So it's a bit more in a table format. And what the script does, again, the script is a Python script, so it imports some libraries, in this case, QR code and pandas, and generates a PDF. It's all nicely commented here. So you have the QR size, the spacing, and it reads. So what it does, it reads the headers. So it reads the number, the cut year. So if you were to change the headers in this case, then you can you need to change the script as well. But again, just copy pasting this into ChatGPT will do the job. So I'm going to show you just how to execute it. I have my CMD here. So I'm just going to go into the folder where the script is living, and it's and need to check the folder. So it's called Timber Inventory. There you go. So here's the script, the Python. Um, if you're not sure if you have Python, I'm not going to go into the details here, but you can look that up in other channels. So you need Python and you need pip to install it. So I have both installed, and so it reads the file name here in the very beginning. In my case, it's called Timber Inventory. So it looks like this. If I open it, so this is the file. I have in this case 8 different entries, and now I will execute the script with the Python command. The script is called script, and this takes a second. And I got a success message, successfully generated, and here is my PDF document, and this is what it looks like. So you get this for free. You don't have to pay anyone anything. It's all there. Thanks, guys, for watching. Hope that helped. Please feel free to comment and subscribe.